When it comes to choosing a theme for your WordPress website, there are a ton of options to choose from. Although WordPress has a large library of themes, often I see people picking up the wrong theme that hurts their overall business online. A WordPress theme that is not SEO friendly can be a real obstacle in this competitive battle to land on top of search engine result pages. When you have significant technical issues like poor coding, slow page load speed, and lack of plugin support, Google won't trust your website as an industry authority, and you will likely struggle to get on the first page. In this video, I'll talk about what an SEO friendly theme is and what you should consider while selecting one. So let's quickly talk about a few items to look at before using a WordPress theme. Number 1. Pick a responsive theme. Do you know mobile devices account for 58% of web page views worldwide? That means majority of smartphone users look up website, products and related content on their phone. SEO friendly WordPress themes must have responsive layouts. A responsive WordPress website will adjust screen sizes across devices with ease. That way, mobile customers won't be greeted with a poorly adjusted home page when they click through. Google prefers mobile-friendly websites and offers a tool as well, where you can test how your website looks on different mobile devices. Number 2. Pick a theme that supports most plugins. WordPress plugins help to unlock the true potential of your website with additional features for both users and website owners. WooCommerce, Jetpack, WP Cache, and Google Analytics are popular plugins. You can also download the best SEO plugins to make optimization easier. Number 3. Choose a theme that loads fast. Users have very short attention spans. Many will leave if a website takes more than a few seconds to load. Page speed is important for SEO. Improving page speed has shown great results. A Deloitte Digital and Google study shows that reducing the load time by 0.1 second led to an 8% increase in conversion on e-commerce websites. It is tempting to go for reasonably priced theme with a laundry list of features like custom widgets or Google Fonts, but if you don't actually use these functions, then they just reduce your website down. You should pick a fast, light-weighted and customizable WordPress theme with only the features you need. Alternatively, you can pick SEO optimized themes that let you disable the functions you don't use. Number 4. Pick a theme with clean code. As you know, a website is made up of codes, and if these codes are poorly written, then it can affect the security, speed and resources. The same applies to WordPress themes. The best WordPress themes for SEO must have clean code that makes them more secure and reliable with less downtime. Clean code and SEO go hand in hand. This is because clean code WordPress themes can boost your page load speed and SEO rankings. For example, an optimized theme with clean code speeds up updates of basic SEO elements like meta title, header tags. This helps search engine to find these tags instantly and crawl your website easily. Number 5. Choose a theme that works on multiple browsers. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari and Opera are some of the common desktop and mobile browsers, but there are several more. You don't need to cater to all of them, but your theme should work across the most popular browsers. An SEO-friendly WordPress theme caters to all popular browsers, making it comfortable for users to read and share your content, regardless of their browser choice. Besides establishing different browsers, check version compatibility. Not everyone uses the latest browser version. Often updates are delayed based upon the device or operating system they are using. Ideally, your website should work seamlessly on the latest 3 to 5 versions of the most popular Windows, iOS, Android and Linux browsers. You can use tools like PowerMapper to check browser compatibility. Developers can also manually run tests to determine compatibility. Number 6. Select a theme with a popular page builder plugin. A page builder is a WordPress plugin that makes it easier to create the layout of your website through drag and drop features. You can quickly choose from pre-made layout options and drag and drop the elements to place them where you want. Page builders are an excellent option for easy website creation. If you are a digital marketing agency working with multiple clients, you can use page builders to set up multiple websites quickly. But page builders do have a few issues. Page builders generate a lot of code, and as mentioned earlier, this is bad for SEO. Most importantly, when you create a website using a page builder and then switch themes, the layout and consequently the content on it will require several edits. Your technical on-page SEO could be affected. So be sure to account for SEO during a rebuild. Choose a theme that has a popular page builder plugin built on, or install a separate page builder plugin that works across most themes. Number 7. Select a theme that is updated regularly. Regular theme updates are important for security and bug fixes. You don't want a WordPress theme that updates once a year. Developers use updates to provide the latest security patches, fix bugs, address compatibility issues with the latest browser and plugins, and clean up the old code. Your SEO takes a hit when you use an outdated theme. If your theme is not compatible with the latest version of Google Chrome, it won't load. You will lose out on the possible traffic generated by Chrome users and give your competitors a chance to bounce you. Outdated themes might also have limited functionality on newer devices and browsers. Number 8. Choose a theme with good ratings. The easiest way to identify the best WordPress theme for SEO is to check user reviews and ratings. Don't just check the reviews and testimonials on the official website of the theme. Check for ratings on third-party websites and social media too. Users might not leave SEO-focused reviews, but they will often list things like slow loading speed or not mobile friendly. Compare these to your SEO checklist to understand how usable and well built the theme is. Compare common user problems with issues that could affect your website in general and avoid those themes. While a small number of speed related complaints in a sea of positive reviews is okay, you should avoid themes with mostly poor reviews. WordPress themes are a great way to boost your website, but they should not stop your SEO efforts. If you need any more help with WordPress SEO, feel free to comment down. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.